Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina, and today we have a single swag box. Hashtag love yourself, y'all. So single swag is a subscription box. They have makeup, beauty, accessories, snacks, all kinds of siding stuff. I don't even, you never know what you're going to get in this box. Now, there are two different sizes. Mine is the petite box, which is $24.99 a month. You get 4 to 5 full-size products, which are valued at $120 or more dollars. Of course, if you do subscribe, commit to more months, you get deeper discounts. If you commit to 12 months, you will pay, I believe you pay, yes, up front, $269.99 for the full year. That will equal out to about $22.50 a month. You can also get the full-size single swag box, which is $39.99 a month. It's worth $200 or more. You get 7 to 8 full-size products. If you commit to the 12 months, you pay the $399.99 up front, which equals it out to about $33.34 a month. So you save about $80 on there. So right now, we're going to look and see what is inside this box. I love their hashtag, love yourself. All right, here we go. That's what it looks like on the inside. Tells you can win your box if you do all this stuff that I don't ever do, you know, putting it on Facebook, Instagram, things like that. On the back, it tells you what's in here. And let's see. Loving yourself isn't selfish. It's necessary. Relax, smile, and enjoy this month's special surprise just for you. It says the retail value of this box is $158. This is the October 2022 box. So let's see what's in here. Pop it all out of the box. Oh, we got a book. Remember, do I have a code for this one? Okay, I am affiliated with this one. You can use my affiliate link. That will help me out, but it doesn't help you out. So what I recommend is using my referral link, which will give you $15 off of this box if you decide to try it out. So they're both down below. I just want y'all to get the money off, you know. That's just who I am. Okay, now we're going to look at everything in here. So, snack, yay. Ooh, this is Naobay Natural and Organic. This is the Vitality Vitamin C Booster Daily Cream. It says, re-energize your skin with this deeply hydrating, fast-absorbing cream for a visibly firmer, brighter, and more dewy complexion without leaving behind any greasy residue. The retail value on this is $46. Now, keep in mind, I do think they inflate the prices on some things. Sometimes I will go look at this stuff and it will be the right price. Like the jewelry and stuff, I feel like they up the price on. That's just my personal opinion. I cannot say for sure, but I have had some different things from this brand, and I do believe I liked it. I can't remember, though. Hashtag principles. Let's see. A nice whipped kind of cream. Very light little scent. Ooh, very creamy. Little goes a long way. Seeing if the scent would go, you know, how most creams and things, it just kind of goes with a minute after a minute. Still kind of smell it. I mean, it's okay. I'll have to try it out on a daily basis to see how I feel about it. Let me see if it dries without the grease like they said. This is Gemma Simone. This is jewelry. This is the Aqua Beaded Lariat. It says it's a $64 value. This chic, trendy layered necklace with a pop of color will be your new go-to piece all year round. 2 layers of rose gold chain with a pendant and aqua bead accent will add style to any look or outfit. All right, let's look at it and see if we think it's worth $64. Does that look like it's worth $64, y'all? See, this is where I think they had that, I don't know. I should not say that. You never know. It could be worth $64, but I just can't see it. I mean, it is cute. It's interesting. Let me open this. Claw clasp extender. It's 3 layers. There's a beaded layer, there's just a chain layer, and then there's the layer with that interesting pendant on it. I don't know. I don't love it. I definitely wouldn't pay $64 for it. I don't hate it either. I just don't think it's worth that price. What do we think? Oh, I guess I should get this out of the way. It's going to be all tangled now, isn't it? I think it's cute. It does give you a pop of color. Personally, I would have liked this chain to have been shorter than the color and this chain to have been the middle. That's just my own personal opinion. I like the pendant. It's cute. I think I would have liked it better without the color, though. I don't know. I find myself very harsh to this jewelry. I don't know why. It just seems like the jewelry has never been my favorite thing from this box. And I don't know if it's because I know they inflate the price. Sometimes I think that will, you know, color how you feel about something. But these little bead things have been everywhere. Well, no, these aren't the ones that I've seen everywhere. But what do you think? Do y'all like these beaded necklaces, the colorful beaded necklaces? I think they just remind me of kids' jewelry. I kind of think that's what it is. All right, next on here is Emases Skincare 24 karat gold collagen eye masks, 5-step for under eye masks. I hope I'm saying that right. Emases. $24 value. Revive the look and fill your eyes with these under eye masks infused with 24 karat gold. The skin-loving formula in each mask will visibly brighten and hydrate your eyes while minimizing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It's a 10 to 15 minute mask for under your eyes. Like I said, there's 5 of them in here. I could see that being worth $24. There they are. Ooh, juicy. You can see the essence in there. Curious to try these out. I don't do eye masks very often, but I probably should start doing them more often. All right. This is Good Vibes, Good Life. How self-love is the key to unlocking your greatness by Vexking. How you can learn to truly love yourself, how you can transform negative emotions into positive ones. It is possible to find lasting happiness. In this book, Instagram guru Vexking answers all these questions and more. Vex overcome adversity to become the source of hope for thousands of young people, and now draws from his personal experience of his intuitive wisdom to inspire you to practice self-care, overcome toxic energy, and prioritize your well-being. Cultivate positive lifestyle habits, including mindfulness and meditation. Change your beliefs to invite great opportunities into your life. Manifest your goals using tried and tested techniques. Overcome fear and flow with the universe. Find your higher purpose and become the shining light for others. In this book, In this book, Vex will show you that when you change the way you look, feel, speak, and act, you begin to change the world. The perfect guide for those who are seeking a way out of darkness and want to live a more beautiful and meaningful life. Okay. Interesting. I mean, do I know that I'm going to read it? I don't know. Be the best version of you that you can be. How can you learn to truly love yourself? How can you transform negative emotions into positive ones? It is possible to find lasting happiness. In this book, author and Instagram guru Vexking answers all of these questions and more. It is a $22 value. Interesting. And then we got a kind bar. Actually, I eat these every day now. This particular one. This is the caramel almond and sea salt. Actually on an antibiotic right now, so I had to make sure I was eating something in the morning when I took my antibiotic. So my bestie grabbed these from the store for me, and so I've been having one every morning. They're a $2 value, $2 each. I got a box of 12, I think. Says, even though it sounds like it belongs in the treat list along with other salted caramel indulgences, this bar contains 5 grams of sugar and is packed with nutritionally dense nuts. Enjoy. So yeah, I'm going to add this to my stack of stuff to eat because they're pretty good. I actually like that salty caramel in them, and I like almonds, so it works for me. So this is a yay. So what did we think of the box? You got the Con Bar, the Good Vibes book, the set of 5 eye masks, the daily cream, and the jewelry. You know, I wasn't in love with the jewelry. I wasn't in love with the book, but the other 3 items I'm okay with. So did you like it? Do you think it's worth the money? I'm probably not going to extend my year subscription after January when it ends because I want to make room for more stuff on the channel. Probably close. But yeah, I mean, it's been fun so far, and it's been fun seeing what they send. I want to know y'all's opinion. I'd love it if you press all those lovely YouTube buttons. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribing to my channel is free, and I appreciate it. If you want to subscribe to Singles Swag, there is a link down below for that. What'll get you $15 off of your box. I'd love it if you would share with your friends and press that notification bell. And if you want to tip your creator, there's 2 ways to do that. You can buy me a cup of coffee. That link is also down below. Or you can press that super thanks, which is like giving a tip through YouTube. So thank you so very much. I hope y'all enjoyed this. Y'all have a wonderful day, and God bless.